Hello guys, so this is my Hivamapper. I ordered it in December and I got it after like 4 months, but I couldn't open because I was outside the country. So let me just show you what's inside. Here's the QR code, user manual, I paid $300 plus $15 shipping and I got $20 discount. Okay, you can see I ordered in December. Now it's July, so I waited 4 months to receive it. Alright, I'll show you guys everything. It looks like a mount. Okay, it's a cable. And here is the device, Hivamapper. Okay, I see a type C thing. There is the camera, main camera. Here is the, you can see if it is recording, location, and if power is on. It's pretty heavy, guys. This probably goes right here. I'll show you guys everything on this video. Just keep patience. I'll install it in my car and I'll connect this with my wallet and show you how much I earn from this. Nothing else inside the box. See you in the car. So guys, I came to my car. I'm gonna install it, and the current Honey token price, the Hivamapper price is 8 cents. It's from CoinMarketCap, and let's just put it in my car. Alright guys, so it's in right now. Power here, okay. Just starting. Alright, and let's just go to the app. Here is the Hivamapper app. As you can see, it's not connected, so connect dashcam Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see if I can. Mapping ends at 7:48, so I can do the mapping till 7:38, and it starts around 6 something in the morning. So guys, I found a dash cam. Select it. Downloading the new version. So guys, I can put this on here or in the back, but I choose here, so I'll clean. Alright, so I'll install. I choose to install right here. This is how I install it, guys. check tilt. I can connect my wallet here, but I don't have a wallet, so I have to link an account or create. Let's go ahead and drive. So guys, currently I'm live mining honey tokens right now. As you can see, it's updating slowly, but it is updating. I think it's because of the slow internet, but I do use T-Mobile. And you see the lights and everything. So I'll remove this easy pass from the screen. I can see my live location here. I kind of like it. I can clearly read the license plate. You can see how clear this camera is. I have driven almost 1 mile and so far no honey tokens. Let's see, and I'll reset after like driving 2 miles. Let's see how much I can earn. So far I have 0. So guys, one thing I noticed, honey reward appear after you have connected to a wallet and earn tokens. So let's connect or open a new with email address. So I just created one account, my email. Right now I have 0. So far after the connection I don't see anything, so I'll drive a couple more miles. So guys, I'm still driving. I see 235. It was 110 before. It's updating, but it's not the coin. So the road I am driving, no one else driven before with honey. So let's see what they give me from these. I see 360 points, 485 points, 680 points, 18 points. Spending. Your reward are pending honey rewards for the prior week's activity will be available on Thursday. Alright, so and here you can see dashcam, queue, phone, and uploaded today. I uploaded 792 points something. Today is the second day and I earned this much, almost 7,000. So guys, today I have 183 honey tokens right now, and I got it after like 10 days. 1 week is the current week, then they wait for, normally give it on Thursday. And I have let me show you, from 1 week I got only $12 worth of money. I earn around 30,000 points and I got only $12. Currently the price of the honey token is 6 cents, which is coming down because of the Bitcoin. I spent a lot of time with it and I got only like $12.40, which is insane. And one more thing I do want to mention, when you are driving outside with honey to with Hivamapper, make sure you keep your Wi-Fi on. And it was fun, but it's like you cannot see the footage. There's another bad thing so you have to keep two one Hivamapper camera and one of the other camera for your car. So if they give anything, so you can check the footage, so this could be better. Normally mapping starts around 6:30 and it ends around 11 hour right now, because the day is longer. And nothing much to say. If you guys wanna buy, I know you can cash out somehow or buy coins, Solana. So overall my idea from 1 week 30,000 points, and I earn only 183 honey tokens. So I'm not 100% satisfied, because I had to spend a lot of time connect honey token with phone, going Wi-Fi offline, checking time to time. So you guys decide what you wanna do, especially the price of the coin is 6 cents only. And thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys got a good idea. It's my first week, and I'll come after a couple weeks if I get good review. And please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day.